Hi everyone, welcome to Mella's channel. And we have here all the packs that I have opened, like different kinds of packs. Like we have Pokemon, Doraemon, we have Demon Slayer, we have Hatsune Miku, we have SpongeBob. And here are all the cards that we pulled from them. And I think it was 20 packs. And first, I'll get some that I can hold, like they're thick, so it's hard to hold it all. And here we have like Tapu Koko, we have Snorlax, we have Copper Raja, we have Rillaboom, Dragapult, Inteleon, Phalanx, an Ultra Ball, and we have a Hunchcrow, a Houndoom. Like this one is really miscut. And here we have the Cincha's Ambition, we have Umbreon, Raikou, Whimsicott, and we have the Arceus V-Star, and we have Yushiro. We are on the Demon Slayer, and we have Tanjiro, Zenitsu, Shinobu, Obanai. We have Kokoshibu, another Obanai. We have Inosuke, Sanemi, Zenitsu, Giyu. We have Mitsuri, Obanai. We have another Tanjiro, and we have Mitsuri, Kokoshibu, another Obanai, and we have Inosuke, Sanemi, Zenitsu, Shinobu, Gyomei, Giyu, Shinobu, we have Tanjiro, Kyoj, Rengoku, and Tanjiro, and we have another Shinobu, and another Kokoshibu, Sanemi, and we have a rare, another rare, and more rare, and we have Tanjiro rare, we have Nezuko rare, we have another Tanjiro and Nesco, and we have another rare and more rare. Like this set of Demon Slayer cards are from the Mugen Train movie, from the anime itself. And here we have an SSR and an SSR of Nezuko, like the best pulls out of all the packs that I have opened so far. And here we have the Doraemon set. We have the rare card of Soneo, and we have a UR of Doraemon. We have a UR, a rare, an SR of Doraemon, and we have an SR, and we have an SR of Nobita, and we have a CP, another good pull. And now we are going to the Hatsune Miku, and we have an LR, we have a Rin Rare, and a BP Miku. We have an SSR, another BP, Lovely BP, and here we have a rare, another rare of Len, a rare of Kaito, and we have a BP of Miku, another beautiful BP, and we have an LR, a UR, and a rare of Rin. Next one, we have the SpongeBob, we have Patrick, another Patrick, and we have an 3 ARs of Patrick. And as you can see, it's beautiful to look when they're all together. And now we have SCR, the baby Mr. Krabs. And we have an SR of Patrick. And we have a baby Patrick. And we have the STR. We have an SSR, and we have an SR, an STR of SpongeBob and Patrick, and we have here a UR, a pirate Patrick and SpongeBob, and we have an SSR of Patrick, and we have a SpongeBob the movie, and here we have the STR, a rare of SpongeBob, another rare, and we have an SR playing with bubbles, and we have an STR, an SSR, and we have an SR of Plankton, a rare of SpongeBob AUR Party Time, and STR, and we have an SSR, a rare of Patrick and SpongeBob, a fashionable SpongeBob. Thank you for watching, everyone. Follow for more.